How to use the dark mode and adaptive brightness to extend your battery life. Hey everybody and welcome back. If you're looking out to do so, in today's video we are gonna guide you through the process, so let's just get started. So you can go to your settings for that directly, and within your settings you just need to go over to the display section and tap on it. After you go to display section, you can select the option for dark theme, the second option right there, and that should totally go ahead and refresh your light theme to dark one and enable the dark mode on your screen, and that should probably work out for you. If you want to enable the adaptive brightness to extend your battery life, it is pretty easy. Once you head over to your settings, once again go to display and tap on it, and from display you just need to go over and guard for the brightness section and turn on the toggle for this adaptive brightness. So turn it on, and that should totally basically go ahead and automatically adjust the brightness to your surroundings, reducing it to when you are in a darker room to save the power, and that should probably work out for you. You can just go and extend your battery life that way, while adaptive can help manually dimming the screen in bright conditions. You can also go ahead and save your more battery, and auto brightness sometimes also overdoes it, so you can just go over and turn that option right there. And that's it everybody. If you want to go ahead and follow up the process for that, pretty easy. You can follow it up by following up this method. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.